What's going on, you guys? My name is Jordan and this is my 2020 Honda Civic SI, and today we got a special package from Redline Tuning. It's a set of hood struts. So today we're going to be installing a aftermarket set of hood struts on my SI. So I'll go ahead and get it unboxed and show you everything that comes in the package. So as you can see, we have these beautiful carbon fiber hood struts with the provided hardware as well. So let's go ahead and grab everything that we need and take it over to the SI to get it installed. So the first thing that you guys want to go ahead and do is make sure that you get the ball joint screw in this open hole right here on the hood latch. So the only thing a little bit different on this side is that there's a clip we're gonna have to remove, and once you put the ball stud through, you can kind of just rest it on top. So we just got the two top bolts on the hood finished. Now we're just gonna go ahead and do this fender bolt on this right side and then the other one on the left-hand side. So let's go ahead now and get the strut installed. It should be a pretty simple process. Just kind of rock, yep, just like that, kind of rock it over. And then you kind of just want to rock it over just like that on the second panel. We're gonna go ahead and rock this back and forth just like so. And then rock this one back and forth just like so as well. And it's as simple as that, you guys. The hood struts are now installed onto the Civic SI. So now that we got our new Redline Tuning hood struts installed, let's go ahead and remove this factory hood prop. So you're gonna kind of want to just wiggle it back and forth just like that. So now that we got the hood struts all finished up, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the car out and show you guys how it looks. So now that we got everything all finished up, let me know what you guys think on how the Redline Tuning hood struts came out. Huge thank you again to Redline Tuning for sending over this set of hood struts for me to review and show to you guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to go down below and hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. I have a huge video coming for the SI next week, so make sure you stay tuned. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.